Cool. So I'm Matt, and I'm working on MVP Scope. Essentially, it's AI for software requirements, and this is to help non-technical founders or non-technical business owners, small, medium, or people working full-time jobs to figure out their software requirements before they hire a developer. Here's like an example of like, hopefully you can, maybe I should zoom in a little bit. Zoom in on like what it looks like. Essentially, here's like a cost breakdown with like dollar amounts and number of hours, user stories, tasks, core features, architecture designs, and really like high level wireframe screens just to like show you like what sort of your product might look like. And essentially how this works is you have a conversation with AI similar to like who's been Zero Draft AI, where you have a conversation, and through that conversation it kind of extracts like the details of like what your requirements are, the problems that you're facing, like the hypothesis. And then afterwards you review those criteria that it's generated, and then after the review you click generate, and then it'll generate a cost breakdown of your MVP. And that's basically it. The problem that it's trying to solve is that a lot of developers, they go into these, like they, for example, go through Upwork, they work with the developer, and then they realize like, hey, this isn't what I wanted. This is like, this isn't good. The quality isn't good. Maybe this might help them like manage their like offshore developer. Or on the flip side, when they go into a dev agency, they can come in like confident of like, hey, like this is roughly how much it costs, rather than putting it on the agency to create that quote for them.
What progress you made today, Matt?
What progress I made today? I was working on the email payment component.
Yeah.
So I can charge people for it. So right now, if you go to mvpscope.com, you can create like get the whole report to 100% for free. And today, I was working on the capability of like being able to add a paywall to it so that I can start testing if like, are people willing to pay for this?
Cool.
Did you finish the paywall?
No. I had a lot of conversations and it derailed me.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks, Matt. That was great.
Yeah.
Sterling, you're up next.